Good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter number first, the diamond necklace. Madame Mathilde Loisel was a beautiful and charming means attractive woman, but she was very unhappy with her life. Madame Mathilde Loisel, she was very beautiful and very attractive woman, but she was not happy with her life. She believed that life had deceived her. Deceived means cheated. She thought that life had cheated her. She wanted to marry a rich gentleman but had to marry a junior clerk who was working in the Ministry of Education. Junior clerk means an officer employee who worked at a low level. And Mathilde, she wanted to marry with a rich person, but unfortunately he married a junior clerk who was working in the Ministry of Education. Though not very rich, her husband tried his best to make Mathilda happy and give her a comfortable way of life. Comfortable means easy. His husband was not so rich, but he always tried to make Mathilda happy and he always tried to give her a easy life. Her existence means a way of living, was one of constant frustration. Frustration means feeling upset, as she had lots of regrets. Regrets means feeling sorry if you do not get what you want. Okay, and her existence, her way of living was one of the main reason of her upset, because she always thought that she always want to get more things, but she didn't get. She hated her apartment. Apartment means house where she lived. She hated her house and spent time daydreaming. Daydreaming means always thinking about fancy things and a lavish lifestyle. Lavish means when a person spends so much money on other things. Okay, and she hated her house and she always thinking about the things, costly things and the luxurious lifestyle. While her husband on being served as a simple casserole. Casserole means a utensil which keep food warm. Exclaimed, well, a good hot pot. While her husband, he was a very simple man and he loved everything which he getting served as a which he is getting served in a casserole, and he always loved that things which he is getting. Okay, I don't know anything better than that she dreamt about an elaborate feast served in a fancy crockery, and her husband always thought that nothing can be better than hot pot. That hot pot is the name of a dish. So he was a simple man, so whatever he is getting served in a casserole, he liked that dish and he is thinking this is the best thing which he is getting for eating. But his wife, she was always daydreaming, or she was always wanted something. Elaborate means very complicated, feast means special meal. She always wants something special meal which served in a crockery. Crockery means very expensive utensil, and she wanted to eat the food with the wealthy. Wealthy means rich friends. She long means wished for fancy clothes and expensive means costly jewelry, and she always wished that she always wished for the fancy clothes and the expensive jewelry. She was so embarrassed, ashamed about her not being well off, and she did not want to meet her old friend Madame Forrester. And she was always feeling ashamed because she was not so well, and so that she did not want to meet her old friend Madame Forrester, who was a very healthy, and meeting her left Mathilda in a great anguish. Anguish means mental pain. Madame Forrester, she was a very rich person, rich woman, and whenever Mathilda met her, she always get a mental pain because she always also want to become a rich, but she was not so rich. Instead, Mathilda chose to spend time alone in her apartment, carrying over the and longing means wishing for the things she could not have. So Mathilda chose that she will spend her time alone in her apartment and always crying over the things which she always wanted to get in her life. One night her husband returned home with an invitation that read, and one day when her husband returned home, he had one invitation. In that return, the Minister of Education and Madam George Ramponon request the honor of the company of Mr. and Mrs. Lozel at the ministry on the evening of Monday 18 January. The invitation was from the Ministry of Education and from the Mrs. George Ramponon, and this was for the request of the owner of the company. Okay, and that was the invitation for the evening of Monday 18 January.